Hello, I'm Greg Red Mods, and welcome to episode 12 of season 3 of my PowerPC series. Today's episode is going to be a special unboxing episode where we're literally unboxing a in-box iBook G4. It's the 14-inch model, and it's the very last model, so it's the 1.42, very fast, very powerful. I am currently in the middle of remodeling my room. And I have kind of lost my filming equipment, so I apologize if the audio is really bad, and I also apologize if it's poorly lit. It's somewhere. I'm very disorganized when it comes to remodeling stuff. Yeah, but anyway, here's the box, and we're going to open it up, and I'm really excited about it, so let's go. Okay, so let's get the knife out. I apologize if it's shaky. Of course, all of my unboxing videos are shaky, and I can't find my tripod. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get into it. Now, this iBook G4 is supposed to be all original and have the original specs on it. It's supposed to come in the original box, which is a little damaged, but it should have all the original packing material in it, and it should be all nice and ready. And there is. Pull this out. And here is the box. Right here. Shut up, guys. Sorry, I forgot to turn my speakers off. Mac-Yak is texting me. Anyway, so here is the box. That is pretty darn cool. Here are the original specs. These should be all the current specs too. 60 gig hard drive, 512 megs of DDR, 14.1 inch screen and stuff. This is my first 14.1 inch iBook here. This is the box to it. Now, I originally wanted to film this a little nicer, but I got in the middle of remodeling. Well, sorry. I really want to unbox this though, and it just came in the mail. So anyway, we're going to spin this around if it stops getting caught and everything. And we're going to open it up. Ta-da! That is not opening because it keeps getting caught. Ta-da! Here we go. You guys have been wanting an original box unboxing, and here is. Now, of course, the system's been used, but it has everything, as we can see here. I also bought a gig of RAM for it to max the RAM out. But other than that, it's got the original installed discs, the original Welcome to Tiger manual, and all the paperwork for that. Still shrink wrapped. Pretty neat. We've got a dial-up modem phone cable here, never unwrapped. The extension for the charger. The tip for the charger. And the iBook with the charger underneath. Okay, it wasn't packed completely originally, but it gives you a general idea. I think the charger originally went right here. But anyway, this is a full unboxing here. Here's the charger. The guy that sold it to me said that it has an original battery or a working battery in it. I don't know if it's the original battery, but he says it's got 2 hours of life in it. We'll unwrap it again. if I can get it out with one hand. It might not be the original battery. It looks a little different, but it's a working battery. I want this. Yeah, it's definitely not the original battery, but it works. It's got three light charge on it, and here is the iBook G4 1.42. All the ports. We've got dial-up, 10100 Ethernet, Firewire 400, two USB 2s, VGA out, and audio out. And then we've got the iBook itself, which is a little yellowed in odd places, like right there on the keyboard lock, but otherwise is in really good shape. A little worn out trackpad, but other than that, you know, a little bit of cleaning, this thing will look great. So let's power it on and see what happens. Now, I must say this looks a lot nicer than my 12-inch 1.33, which I had to hand rebuild once it got crushed in shipping. The screen looks a little rough. Looks like it might have some LCD damage, but LCDs are really cheap and pretty easy to replace on these. I've replaced enough of them to know that. So it's not a big deal. And it's in good shape otherwise, and it comes with the original box, and you can't beat that. So it's booting right up. Nice Tiger wallpaper. It looks like it's already got a few things on it. It says it's got 2 hours of battery left in it. About this Mac. There we go. 1.42 gigahertz PowerPC G4, 512 megs of built-in RAM. Go to more info. And here are the specs there. See if this has the original hard drive in it. It sounds like it. Yes, it does. Now, I got this off of Brandon Liu, I think is the way you pronounce his last name. Sorry if I murdered that, Brandon. But, wow, this is still a pretty decent looking screen, even though it does have some dark spots on it. It looks pretty good. I apologize for this light. I can't turn it off without stopping the filming, probably. But anyway, yeah, we'll go through this. Let's see if the keyboard lock's still engaged. It is. So I need to grab a screwdriver or something and spin this lock, and probably should turn it off. But let's max out the RAM real quick and then wrap up the video. Okay, so I got the lock spun here. Pull this up, grab my screwdriver, remove these screws. I don't think this thing's ever been opened. Oh, yeah. Come on. Alright. Oh, dang-gum. Okay. And one more. Got the RAM bay open. Let's cut this open because I forgot to cut it open. Sorry, 1 second here. Okay, that's one side. Yeah. Can't open it. Okay, let's try it this way. Okay, now it should open. I have to knife in my mouth right now because I'm stupid. Okay, now let's try to open it. What the heck? I can't open it. One second. Okay, so after many expletives trying to get the thing to rip open, here's the RAM. We'll pull it out. Maybe. Really? One second. Okay, so here's the RAM. Whew! I hate those packages sometimes. So anyway, let's plug it in here. Like that. Clip it into place. And then I'll put this panel back on off camera so I don't lose it. And then we'll clip the keyboard in and boot it back up. Okay, so the system is booting back up. We got the keyboard back on. Let's go to About This Mac. And here we go. 1.5 gigs of DDR RAM. Go to More Info. Go over to Memory. And there we go. We got the 1 gig of RAM. And it is working. And it was just a quick unboxing video. I wish I could have done it better. Who knows, I might refilm it later with my actual filming equipment, but like I said, I just got this in the mail, and I'm in the middle of remodeling. So, yeah. Anyway, so sorry if it was a little rough looking and rushed looking, but I wanted to get it filmed. I need to set it off to the side now. I just needed to make sure it worked, and I wanted to make sure it worked with you guys. And it does. So I'm happy with that. Anyway, guys, don't forget that I am now sponsored by SellYourMac.com. If you have a Mac or some other Apple device you'd like to sell, just go to SellYourMac.com/RutKMods and sell them something, and I'll get a little kickback, which will help me, and it will also help you because you'll be making money. Also, don't forget, I do now have a Patreon if you'd like to support me. I'll have a link at the end of the video and also in the description. And that's the end of today's video, and thank you guys for watching. This has been a RutKMods video.